a lot. Even we cannot stay without AC and a fan for a minute also. So today let's beat the summer heat with a cool and palatable dish known as yogurt rice. So now what are we waiting for? Let's dive into our recipe. Okay, so to prepare cool and delicious yogurt rice, we want cooked steamed rice. Next you have yogurt. Then we have mustard seeds, cumin seeds, some sugar, salt as per your taste, asafoetida or hing. And then we want handful of peanuts, some urad dal. Then we have chilli and ginger paste. Then we have freshly chopped coriander leaves, red grapes and some oil. So now the first step is to whisk the yogurt very nicely. You have to make it lump free and very soft. We have to whisk something like this. So now let's add some salt as per your taste and sugar, and again mix it nicely until the salt and sugar cooperates with the yogurt nicely. Now add the yogurt in the steamed rice, cooked steamed rice, and mix it gently. Otherwise our rice might get mashed. Now heat kadhai or a skillet, add some oil, then add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and asafoetida or hing, some handful of peanuts, urad dal and then add chilli and ginger paste and mix it nicely. We want very crispy and brown peanuts. Then add some coriander leaves. Now add the tempering into the yogurt and rice mixture and give it a beautiful mix. And then garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and also with some red grapes. So our delicious, beautiful and out of Milky Way yogurt rice is ready. It is very scrumptious and also you can beat this summer with this beautiful and palatable dish.